This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Discoveries, their physical computing unit, and I'm on the lesson Functions with Parameters. Star Chaser. Now make it work for all stars. Do this. Create a check stars function. A check stars function that uses a for loop to check every star in the star array. Test your code by calling the check stars function inside the event block, and we have been doing this a lot. So, I need a check stars function. Just gonna add it, I guess, right here. Unless they asked us to add it somewhere. Yeah, I'll just put it here. Check stars. Okay, and then I'm gonna need a parameter, I know that much. Oh, no, because I can loop through. We're doing multiple. I wasn't thinking. We're going to model this after, like, loop stars. So, we're going to check the stars, and what we need now is a control and a for loop. Now, we're going to loop through the entire array of stars right up here. So, to do that, I'm going to do star array.length, so I can make sure I will stop when I is more than the length of this, because we're going to use I, starting at 0, add 1 each loop, and loop through 0, 1, 2, each part of this array. And what are we going to do while we're looping through? We want to call the function check stars, and then what do I want here is, well, I want the star array, and then I. So whatever the index is that we are on right then, for instance, 0, red. Then we loop back around 1, blue, so on and so forth. Check stars hasn't been declared yet. Oh. Check star, right? Is that what it was? Yes. Awesome. And then this is going to say we didn't call it. Yep. All right. So now, test your code by calling check stars function inside the event block. Here's our event block. I'm not going to need these then, right? Because I'm going to use this to call the check star function and loop through all of them. So I'll keep this to change this to stars, get rid of blue, and find out what happens. What's this saying? Well, yeah, it's empty. There. All right, let's try. I'm going to get better at this. No, I'm not. What if I slow it down? I'm going to try to slow it down so I can actually play it. I'm dividing this by 2. So we're going to get the, and by 2 I should probably do 5. That should slow it down a bit, hopefully, for those of us who aren't capable of doing this. Let's see if I broke it. That's more like it. It's hard to do with the cord. Oh well. Well, it works. You are probably much better at it than I am. Awesome. Let's keep going.